We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Remove the screws from the middle frame. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We disconnect the front camera. We remove the screw. Lift gently the device motherboard. We disconnect the 4 rear cameras of the device. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. Now we remove the earpiece speaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. This is the fingerprint sensor connector. We remove the screw. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.